In this QuarsiHub review, I'm going to be showing you how you can use this tool to drive high quality traffic to get sales. Make sure you stay to the end of this review as I'm going to show you if QuarsiHub is worth your time. If you're new to my channel, my name is Vijay Koshi. I'm a 7-figure affiliate marketer. I do these reviews every single day so that you can get the best ideas about new websites, software and courses. If you want to get QuarsiHub at any time during this video, make sure you click the link down below which can give you my bonuses, which I am gonna be personally giving you if you end up buying through my link. Now let's get back to the sales page. So it says here accidental discovery breakthrough app make us $2,974.17 with just one mouse click. Now it's your chance to do the same. 100% beginner friendly, no paid traffic, start from nothing, no BS. Now I'm gonna show you guys a video on QuarsiHub, and after you guys watch the video, I'm gonna show you the different OTOs and upgrades that you can do for the QuarsiHub. So make sure you stay to the end of this video.
Did you know that there's a simple formula that guarantees success online? Targeted traffic plus high converting offer equals sales. It really is that simple. If you drive traffic to an offer that converts, you can't fail to make money. It's the method that I've been using to make commissions like this day in and day out. But if it's that simple, why is it that so many people are struggling to make money online, including me when I first started? It's even more curious when you consider that high-converting affiliate offers are available to promote at the touch of a button. Well, the answer, like the formula, is very simple. So many people fail to make money online simply because they can't drive targeted traffic. And I'm living proof, because I was only able to start generating these results when I cracked the code of driving targeted traffic to my affiliate links. But here's the problem with traffic generation. Most gurus recommend that you use paid traffic generation methods like Google and Facebook ads. But it's difficult to make these traffic sources profitable when Google and Facebook are charging in the region of $1 to $5 plus per click. And that's why I always suggest avoiding paid methods like Facebook and Google at first. After all, there are plenty of high-traffic user-generated content websites that you can siphon high-quality traffic from for free if you know how. But that too comes with a challenge. It's time-consuming, which means you need to be working around the clock if you want that constant stream of quality visitors. Until now, introducing QuarsiHub, the one-click traffic generation solution for affiliates and marketers. This revolutionary traffic app was developed to automate the successful traffic generation methods that I used to change my life. The platform sends you free buyer traffic from over 100 sources in minutes, eliminates all traffic generation challenges in one click, generates regular passive affiliate commissions, has enabled beta testers to quit their job and go full-time online, requires no technical skills, experience, or budget, is perfect for beginners, comes complete with a 30-day money-back guarantee. With QuarsiHub, all it takes is 3 steps to succeed as an affiliate. Step 1, invest in QuarsiHub. Step 2, log in and activate. Step 3, push go and relax, enabling our beta testers to generate results like this. QuarsiHub has helped to change my life. Make money while I'm away from the keyboard. Wave goodbye to the 9-to-5 rat race. Spend more time with people I care about. Be location independent. Buy the items that I've always dreamed about. Have full control over my own life. It's worked for our testers too, including my developer who experienced these results. And our diverse group of beta testers, many of whom were beginners, handpicked to ensure the software works for everyone, regardless of age, experience, or background. Here's a snapshot of their results. So, how much is it going to cost you to get your hands on this life-changing software? Well, you're probably thinking, an app that drives targeted traffic at the click of a button is going to be super expensive. And I understand why you'd think that. After all, investing in QuarsiHub effectively replaces Google Ads, Facebook, and other paid traffic methods that deliver rapid results. Methods that you would typically spend thousands of dollars on. But QuarsiHub isn't being released specifically to make money. It's being released to help those of you who are struggling with traffic generation. because I've been in your shoes. So I'm not going to charge thousands of dollars for this. Not even $997, $497, $297, or even $97, because I don't want to price anyone out of the opportunity to change their life. All I'm asking for is a small investment to prove you're serious and help cover my costs. With that in mind, the starting price for access to QuarsiHub is a one-time investment of just $17. But act fast, the price is raising every hour. And we'll be reverting back to a monthly subscription very soon. If you skip this opportunity today, I can't guarantee the one-time pricing will be available tomorrow. To really sweeten the deal, we're including the incredible bonuses listed on this page and a 30-day money-back guarantee. Hit the buy button below to lock in your spot at this incredible discounted rate. See you on the inside.
Now let's have a look at the different OTOs and upgrades of QuarsiHub. So QuarsiHub provides you with 6 upgrades which you can do after you purchase the product. So the first OTO is the QuarsiHub Unlimited, which is $47. Then comes the second OTO, which is QuarsiHub Automation, which is $67. Then comes the third OTO, which is QuarsiHub DFY, which is $197. And comes QuarsiHub Reseller, which is $67. And comes QuarsiHub Steal our website traffic, which is $97. Then comes the last OTO, which is Quarsi DFY traffic, which is $397. I hope you enjoyed this review of QuarsiHub. If you want to check it out, make sure you click the link in the description, and I hope to see you on another review video.